Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jill. If you're new, welcome. Happy to have you. Today I'm going to do a try on, I guess you could call it a haul for lack of a better word. There's not a ton of pieces and I will probably end up returning quite a few of them. That's normally how these things go. But I like to try them on for you guys so you can kind of see what I think about the fit and the sizing and what I would style them with, that kind of thing. I haven't shopped at Zara in a really long time. It's something that I'm definitely trying to curb a little bit, but this is a Zara dress and I picked up a few other summer dresses from Zara that I'm going to show you. So let's get started. This one I really like. I think I probably need to wear a bra, but that's fine. Super cute. It's got like a mesh overlay, pretty much ankle length. I got a size small. Yeah, this is really cute. Although, like, I don't have anywhere to go. Like, patios are kind of open, or they are open, I guess, but I feel like I'm not ready for that yet. So, I don't even really know why I'm shopping. I can't help it. Okay, next dress. My audio stopped working, so that's fun. So I'm just gonna summarize what I said here. This is also a Zara dress. I really love the color. I wasn't sure when I was putting it on how it was gonna feel, but I think it's really cute. It would be good for work, although I guess people aren't really going into the office. The only thing is that the fabric is itchy. Like, I don't think I'd be able to wear this all day, so I definitely am gonna send it back. Also, definitely not worth $120. The fabric is probably just polyester. Ugh, this is why I don't love Zara. This one is really cute. This is an extra small. I would definitely size down because it's quite voluminous and there's an elastic around the waist. I would definitely have to wear nipple covers with this. I love the low V with voluminous sleeves though. And the color is really pretty. It also comes in a few other colors, I believe. I think I like this one and the white one the best so far. I guess I've only tried on 3 dresses so far though. So this one I can't even do up. Oh, I guess I can. But it's super tight and I don't love it. It's a play on the Jacquemus dress, although it's longer. You can make the slit higher or lower. It doesn't fit great around the bust. It's not very comfortable. I think I'm just going to keep the white dress, but not any of the others. Definitely striking out with Zara today. This is a newer brand for me. It's called Sassoon or Sasson. I got it on sale at the Bay, and this dress is super flattering, really comfortable. The shoulders have a bit of ruching, and then it's got more structure around the waist, and then obviously buttons all down the front. I'm not wearing a bra with it, and I think it's fine. It's very comfortable. I feel like this brand is kind of like French whimsical. It's girly, effortless, a little bit boho. It's a really cute new brand for me. These shorts I actually can do up, but the button is so hard to do up. It took me like 10 minutes to undo them, so I'm not even gonna do it up. These are from 1 Teaspoon, and I don't know what I was expecting, but no, these are not cute at all. This tee is from a Canadian female-owned company called My Next Broken Heart. I saw this tee on a server last fall and I asked her where she got it, and that's actually how I found the company, and they've been out of stock for a while. But I love it. It's so cute and it's also super soft. So these are the last pieces. This is a Nanushka top. They are a Hungarian brand and they have amazing faux leather. It's like buttery soft. This top is super 90s and I love the color so much. It's really easy to just throw on with jeans. I actually saw these jeans on Allegra Shaw. These are from Redone. The only thing is that they're slightly big in the back, just around the waistband. So I'm not sure if I should go down a size. They're straight leg and I really like how long they are, especially wearing a sandal underneath. It really lengthens your legs and makes them look longer than they actually are. I have short legs. Okay, that's it. Let me know your thoughts on the floral session dress and all of the Zara dresses. Have you guys been shopping at Zara less? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.